So itata datay dito'y buti prime cut gowns and salon dito Aurora Park. This is in celebration of the Pride Month of the City of Lawag. Kadwa tayo diti designer ni Mambari. And sir, explain mo man digiti naka-display nga lakayo itatay dito'y Aurora Park.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Since you are Ilocos Norte is promoting the Inabel fabric tayo, this is the Ilokano cloth and weaving fabric. So, Barry's gowns, prime cut gowns, suits and salon, actually promoting this Abel Iloko. So, we are innovating our Ilocano cloth since the provincial government, of course, supported by the local city government, also have the projects in support of the Abel Iloko. So this is not the first time actually we are having this exhibitions or exhibits. We have a lot of exhibitions happening here. We have fashion shows supported by the provincial and the city government. So our indicators,
Like this,
this
bolero?
one, Bolero. Actually, this is a product of in Paway Weavers.
Nagpintas.
Our kaibigan
Yes.
from Paway.
They are, it's very colorful. I think we have also
Teta.
this one. It's
Dito sir, mabalin uri nakapantalon ka?
Yup. It's a casual.
Kasi jay.
Yup.
Nugay nakapantalon ka.
Also
Okay.
this one. This is Abra.
Abra.
Yup.
So dito sir, yung sagmamanumet no ka dito sir.
It ranges from 5,000. Then,
5,000.
yup. Because this is actually very expensive cloth, Santiago. And we also cater formal wear
Ganda.
like
Yan, ada pa pang formal wear. Ay. Dati na napindas tela na. Abel.
yeah, this is a bill.
So papa, duwa no ko dito sir?
No, actually this is polo barong.
Polo
I know
ba?
it's not. It's a barong. It is
Nagpintas.
an embroidery.
Napintas kay dito ni. Manumot no ka dito sir?
Oh, it will range from 6,500 above.
Pero
It depends upon the cloth we are using.
yeah. So eto parang nairanta nga naipadait. Talaga. No kaya chuti talaga nga agpasukat, agpadait.
We have also
Obra in the day
for
jay.
women, like this one. The color of star.
Okay.
For women.
Naman sagmamanumet dito sir.
It's the same thing, ma'am.
6,000. Kasa narigat maperdi magdaan ayan magkawa.
Yeah. But this one needs care, most especially when we use it, because this is a very sensitive cloth, Abel Iloko. So hindi natin kailangan labahan.
Kasi naman rin sir,
We need to dry clean.
i-dry clean lang no kwa.
Kasi pag linabahan mo to, yung mga detergent kasi nasisira. Kasi very ano to eh.
Ayun. So, then, dapat dito ipang
Yeah, that one.
Gown.
Filipiniana dress
Filipiniana
for formal wear, evening gowns.
sa 6,000 din.
No.
Nangingina. Nangingina ba sit dito eh?
10,000 with fees.
10,000. So, dito ito
This is combination of Abel and
Venusa.
Venusa. Or
Lightweight material.
lightweight material.
Mga 3.5 kasi lang.
mga 3,500. Tapos, agpada damot na dito, sir,
Yeah,
ayan
this
ito
is a
yung
bolero type.
So, nung digiti kaya natin agrenta, sir, maparin mo tanong ko.
Actually, hindi kami masyadong nagpaparent ng mga Abel.
Abel?
Kasi, as I said, it's very sensitive siya.
So, tila ipaparent tayo nga rin, sir, digiti ka na.
Wedding gown.
Wedding gowns.
Evening gown.
So parang mas advisable nga agpadait
at padait.
tay bagilat nga
Yeah.
kastan. So invite kan sir. Dagiti kayat nat umay enjoy shop
Yeah.
yo.
Yeah, of course. I would like to invite everybody to please come and visit our shop. It is located at the back of at the side of CNE.
Pero iba ka pwede po.
Manipod dito yung Aurora Park, Lawag City para iti IFM News. Idol Gina B, Tatak, IFM.